Hey, it's Acoustic. I'm Kathleen.
And I'm Elizabeth.
And today we are in the Crane kitchen and we're going to be making some mug cakes. I'm doing cake in a bowl because I don't have a big enough mug. It says at least a 16th ounce mug, so we don't have that. So we're just using a bowl. All right, the ingredients will be in the description, like everything you need on the measurement. The flour, we're gonna need 4 tablespoons.
1. I really hope it all fits in the bowl. 2, 3, 4. Okay.
You need a half teaspoon of baking powder. All right, next is 3 tablespoons of sugar. A little less than 3, that was a little messy. Okay. And then a half tablespoon of butter.
Nice.
That's half a tablespoon.
Sure.
Wow.
Welcome to Baking with the Cranes.
Okay, next is, we got the butter. 4 tablespoons of milk. I have to wash it. About 1. About 2. 3. And then just a little left because I'm pretty sure I splashed a lot of it in there. And we're almost done. It also requires vanilla, but we don't have any, so we're just gonna be skipping over, and a pinch of salt. Hoping to at least get something consistent to a batter.
Wow, that does taste good.
It actually tastes like an easy bake oven batter.
I was just about to say that.
Okay. Oh, that's a lot. I just put my face. Pour into a grease mug. Come on. And it says, yeah.
Oh my word.
Don't worry, I'm moving my paper towel.
That is a lot of baking spray. Yeah. Usually you just go like...
It said to do it generously.
Well, you are definitely being generous.
Okay, we're gonna pour it in.
You could probably use a spatula.
Yeah, but that's just more ingredients. I'm just gonna use my finger.
I'm pretty sure a spatula is not an ingredient.
Fine, I'll go get one.
What kind of cake are you making? Oh, you know, spatula flavored.
All right, that's good enough for me. Let me get let this soak.
I don't know what I'm gonna get you for your birthday.
I know, you do have to pick something. We're coming up on 4 days, too.
What do you want?
I don't know. Okay, let's
Would you like an actual mug so you can make mug cakes?
No. Okay, then it says microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds, or, in parentheses, 99 seconds. All right, well, that's in for 90 seconds. It says to watch it closely, so I'm not gonna watch it. Now it says 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. I can soak into it so it could, like, coat it with flavor.
Moisture?
No, like, yeah, I don't know. Okay,
Why are they so worried about coating the inside of the cake with flavor? Is the cake not going to be flavorful?
Well, I mean, it's a mug cake. How flavorful do mug cakes get? And it's done. All right, I'm gonna let it sit. Oh my gosh.
What?
Oh, hot, oh, hot.
Wow, that actually looks really good. Is it done in the middle? Do you want to poke a
Yeah.
stick in it?
I mean, it looks really, that's how it looked on the picture. I'm like.
And it's done.
All right, I'm gonna let this like sit. 1 teaspoon of butter softened.
Because that looks really gross.
I'm probably gonna strain this.
Wait, oh. No, wait, don't you want to put the cake on a plate first?
Oh, I guess we can do that.
Oh my gosh. Let me do it.
No.
Hot! Wow, that actually doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna try some.
No, wait, not yet.
Ow, ow, ow. It's really hot. Oh, good. Some fell out of the bowl. Whoa.
All right, now, this is where you take a spoon. Me, in my case, don't have spoons.
I don't think that's doing anything.
Now I'm gonna cut myself a slice of mug cake. All right, here it goes. I'm not sure if I like it with the icing on it. Like, it's weird.
You know, that piece is
Here.
fine. Nope, come back.
I don't know how to feel about this, but I mean, it tastes better than I thought a mug cake would taste. Do you like it?
I do. I like it much better than mine.
Okay, that's good to know. And I wonder if it would have been better with the vanilla extract.
I bet that's what you're missing, but it tastes good.
I mean, yeah, it tastes good.
I'm gonna keep eating it if we don't finish this up.
So that's all for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and have a fabulous day. Leave a comment if you actually have ever tried a mug cake or if you tried this recipe. So yeah, bye.
That was a terrible outro.
It was like a question. Bye.